428 in Lynnwood. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a playroom. We'll go in and take a look. Quite large. The backyard has a gate to the back, I guess in the backyard, through it, that leads to the big toy back there. Gas stove, stainless steel appliances. I'll hit upstairs, but not before we check out the powder room. So let's start off with the master. The master's got the ensuite. Let's see if we can show everything at once. Of course, the laundry room. Another bathroom. Bedroom. Bedroom nursery. And the fourth bedroom and finally the playroom. And this is a large playroom. This couch is one of those, of course, large couches. Plenty of space behind it. Stop on by. Have a good day, everyone.